Hello friends, welcome to Foodili channel. Are you ready to make a delicious pizza omelette? First, we need 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes in half. It's okay to chop them finely, but it's best to have them. Now, we need 4 eggs. Crack the eggs one by one into a large bowl. It's time to flavor the eggs. I use red pepper, thyme, and salt, half a teaspoon each. Mix the eggs and spices well with a hand whisk. Love this recipe? Like this video to show your support. Your likes and support help make my channel more visible. I use butter instead of oil. Melt 25 grams of butter in a hot pan. Place the halved tomatoes in the pan. Arrange the tomatoes one by one on the pan's bottom. Now it's time to add the egg mixture to the pan. The tomatoes might move when adding the eggs. Before the eggs set, reposition the tomatoes as needed. Cover the pan to speed up the cooking of the eggs. Now add the cheese. I'm using mozzarella. Spread the cheese evenly over the egg surface. Cover the pan again to let the cheese melt. Enjoying this video? Make this tasty dish at home. Like this video if you enjoy our recipes. Subscribing makes me happy. Please join us. Our pizza omelette is ready. Serve and enjoy. Leave a comment with your suggestions. I read all comments and try to respond to all of them. I'm so happy you watched the video till the end. See you next time. Thanks for your support.